Welcome to our channel. Today we're making the classic Moroccan chicken tajine, slow-cooked, aromatic, and full of flavor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video and tap the bell button so you never miss our upcoming recipes. Here's what you'll need. 1 whole chicken cut into medium pieces, 2 large onions thinly sliced, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, minced, 2 preserved lemons quartered, a handful of green olives, fresh parsley and cilantro, finely chopped, spices, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and salt to taste, 3 tablespoons olive oil, half a cup of water or chicken broth. Have all these ready before you start cooking so the process flows smoothly. Place the chicken pieces in a large mixing bowl. Add turmeric, ginger, paprika, black pepper, and salt. Sprinkle in the minced garlic, half of the sliced onions, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Massage the spices and aromatics into the chicken until every piece is coated. For best flavor, marinate at least 15 minutes, or even overnight if you have time. Now heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in your tajine pot, or a heavy bottom pan. Add the rest of the sliced onions and cook slowly until they become soft and slightly golden. Place the marinated chicken on top of the onions. Scatter the preserved lemon pieces and olives evenly. Add the chopped cilantro and parsley. Pour in half a cup of water or chicken broth to create the cooking sauce. Cover the tajine with its lid and let it cook on low heat. Moroccan cooking is all about slow simmering, which allows the flavors to blend deeply. Let the chicken cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Occasionally lift the lid and spoon some sauce over the chicken to keep it moist and rich. The onions will melt down, turning into a silky sauce that coats the chicken perfectly. By the end, your chicken will be tender, infused with spices, and surrounded by the tangy preserved lemon and briny olives. When ready, uncover the tajine and admire the rich golden sauce. The chicken will be soft and flavorful. Serve this chicken tajine directly from the pot, paired with Moroccan bread for dipping, or with fluffy couscous on the side. It's perfect for a family meal or for sharing with guests. That's it. A traditional Moroccan chicken tajine prepared step by step. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share this video, and don't forget to press the bell button to get notified of our next delicious recipe. See you soon.